Hey guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I got another box from Jomar and I'm so excited for this box. Spoiler alert, it's really good. So this was the Hipster box 2.0. They no longer have this box on the website. This is actually my second Hipster 2.0 box, and I think I got 2 of the regular Hipster boxes. They were amazing. I didn't purchase all of the Hipster boxes. They only sent me one. But the boxes that I did purchase, I've already made all my money back and some because the pieces were just amazing. Like I said, it's not available on the website anymore. I don't know if they're gonna do another drop of them. I don't know. I am wearing a shirt, by the way. Okay, first thing in the box is a hat, an Adidas hat. I actually might keep this for myself. If you guys don't know, I love wearing hats. I do. So yeah, just a white Adidas hat. Cute. And also in the box is this hat. This is actually from Urban Outfitters and it says Daddy on it. Sorry, it's all like wrinkly. I washed them. I washed everything. One of the items actually got destroyed. It was a sweater, and yeah, the sweater kind of got ruined. And it got like fuzzy things all over everything. So I do have to lint roll stuff. So if you see like fuzzy stuff on things, I gotta lint roll it. So yeah, this hat, Daddy. I thought that was funny. This is really the only thing that I'm just kind of like, what the hell is this? So it doesn't have a tag. It says one size fits all. And this is what it is. Guys, one size fits all. Like, okay. Right. So, yeah, it's a friggin' boxy sweater. Actually, you know what? It looks like a Connect 4. Looks like a Connect 4 game thing, you know? Connect 4. This is nice. It is Harley Davidson, extra large. Although it doesn't look like an extra large, but it's just a really nice Harley Davidson zip up shirt. It says Harley. All right, next we have a Lee Sport shirt. I don't know what size this is, but it is a Subway Series 2000 Yankees vs. Mets. So this shirt is technically considered vintage because anything 20 years or older is vintage. All right, another Harley shirt. This is a size large. It just says Harley Davidson 100 years, Daytona Beach, Florida. I can't tell if it's supposed to be this color gray or if it's just really faded. And I just noticed it has a little bleach stain on it, so I'm probably gonna bleach this. But I feel like this is cute for, you know, Harley lovers. Like that. This shirt is really cool. It is a size large and another Harley shirt. Harley Davidson, Niagara Falls. This was already bleached. Really, really nice. Looks like that. I have this sweatshirt. I don't know the brand. It just says Paradise on it. It says Paradise on the arms, the front, and the back. Paradise. So it says on the arms. And then on the back, Paradise. I might bleach this actually. A Levi's vest. This is a size small. But yeah, it's just like a florally kind of paisley vest. Paisley vest. This is, somebody made this shirt, size medium. It says, be cool, don't be all like uncool. Again, this is a Hipster box, so it's just a muscle shirt. This is on an American Apparel tag, size small. It says extra bitter saffron burger chocolate maker. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Vintage Ralph Lauren jeans, or Ralph Lauren. What do you guys say? Do you guys say Ralph Lauren or Ralph Lauren? I don't know. It says size 8 petite, but I will put measurements. But these are really, really nice. Some high-waisted jeans. These are vintage. I've been doing a lot of research about Levi's vintage jeans and how to really know that they're vintage. And, you know, there's many ways, you know, the Big E, although they did come out with like a new line with the Big E. So the Big E isn't always an indication, but if they have a tag like this is an indication. You can look on the back here and see the actual date that it was made. It's the second line of numbers. This says 0894, so that's August of 1994. These are a size 9, but I did measurements. I forgot what they are. Everything's listed in my closet, by the way. But these are 512 Levi's in this like cool green color. Really cool. We have a raw hem. And we've got some Levi's 720 super skinny jeans, size 25. These are not vintage. Super skinny, super skinny. These are the 512 slim fit tapered leg. These are vintage. Again, there is that tag, and the date on the back here is 7/95, so July 1995. And these are a size 9 as well. But again, I'll put measurements because the sizing is definitely not correct. This is from Outback Red. This is 30% wool, large sweater. Looks like this. This isn't the sweater that I kind of destroyed. This is not. This one is good. This is cute. This brand says A-Lab, size large. It's just a crop sweatshirt with a lemon on it. And then on the back it says always sour. All right, another Harley shirt. This one has fuzzies all over it. I gotta lint roll it. It doesn't say a size. It just says Harley Davidson. Sleeves look like that. It says ride. All right, we got some more Levi's. I don't know what kind these are. It just says the size tag, says 28. These are not vintage, I don't think. But I don't know what kind they are. They're in excellent condition though. Some distressing here. That's what the back looks like. And Rahim at the bottom. So that's everything that I got in my most recent Jomar box. Like I said, I'm happy with the pieces. I feel like I will be able to sell all of it. I don't know about the cutout sweater. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that'll sell. I don't know. But I'm happy with the box, definitely, for sure. Like I said, I will link Jomar down below. I am an affiliate with them. I will leave my coupon code down below. Also, I wanted to note the shipping on this box took a while. I ordered it on April 8th and I got it yesterday, which was May 5th. So that took a while. I actually sent them a message. This kind of irritated me. I actually sent them a message last week, I think it was, asking, yeah, it was last week. Asking the status of the box. I said, oh no, actually I sent them a message 2 weeks ago asking the status of the box and they didn't get back to me. So I sent them a message again last week saying, hey, can I just cancel this? And they're like, oh, well, actually this box is in line to be shipped. It's like second to be shipped. And then it was shipped out 2 days later. Was it really? Or did you guys just search it because I said I wanted to cancel it? That was kind of weird. But as you can see, my affiliation doesn't sway my opinion about them at all. If they take a long time to ship, I'm gonna say that. If, you know, they do something that might be kind of shady, you know, like when I tried to cancel it and they said, oh, it's actually gonna be shipped, you know, that's it might have been the case, I don't know, but again, I think it's kind of weird. But you know, if stuff like that happens, I'm gonna tell you guys. So don't think that just because I'm an affiliate with them, I'm just gonna be like and fake, and because I'm not like that. Like, that's not who I am. But that being said, I have been pleased with the majority of the boxes that I've received from them. I think there's only been one box where I've been like, I can't do anything with this. But again, just a reminder, that's the risk you take when you buy mystery boxes. If you don't want to take that risk, then go outsourcing. Buy stuff that you know you like or you know is gonna sell. Don't buy mystery boxes. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.